Do you know what an operating system is and why it's so important? Well, let's dive into this fascinating world of computing. Think of an operating system or OS as the backbone of a computer. It's that essential component that manages your computer's hardware resources like memory, storage, and input devices. But its role doesn't stop there. It also provides an environment for software to run on your machine. From the moment you power on your device, the operating system springs into action, ensuring everything runs smoothly. It's like a conductor leading an orchestra, coordinating all the different parts to produce harmonious music. There are various types of operating systems out there, each with its unique quirks and features. You might be familiar with some like Windows, macOS, or Linux. These interfaces give us a way to interact with our machines and execute tasks. So, in simple terms, an operating system is like the boss of your computer. Now imagine your computer without an operating system, can you? It's a bit like picturing a city without its governing body. Things would quickly descend into chaos. Let's illustrate this with a simulation. Imagine you've just switched on your computer. Without an operating system, the computer hardware doesn't have the instructions it needs to function. The processor doesn't know how to process, the memory doesn't know how to store, and the screen doesn't know how to display. It's all just a box of potential, with no way to unleash it. Now let's introduce an operating system into this scenario. We'll use Windows as our example, as it's a system many of you will be familiar with. As soon as the operating system boots up, it begins to coordinate the hardware. It tells the processor how to process data, instructs the memory on data storage, and guides the screen on displaying output. It's like a master conductor leading an orchestra, ensuring every instrument is playing in harmony to create beautiful music. In the same way, the operating system ensures all the hardware components work together smoothly to deliver the functionality you need. But that's not all. The operating system also plays a crucial role in running software. When you click to open a program, it's the operating system that locates the software, loads it into memory, and schedules it for execution. Think of the operating system as the bridge between the software and the hardware. Without it, the software wouldn't know how to interact with the hardware, and vice versa. In essence, an operating system is the heart of a computer. It pumps life into the machine, enabling it to perform a multitude of tasks. From browsing the internet to creating complex 3D models, none of it would be possible without the orchestration of an operating system. As you can see, without an operating system, your computer would be practically useless. Just like a city without a government or an orchestra without a conductor, a computer without an operating system would be a chaotic, non-functioning mess. So the next time you switch on your computer, take a moment to appreciate the unsung hero that is the operating system. So why is an operating system so important? Well, think of your computer as a bustling city. The operating system is its mayor, overseeing all resources and ensuring everything runs smoothly. It manages your hardware resources like your CPU, memory, and storage, and makes sure they're used efficiently. Without an operating system, your software wouldn't know how to interact with your hardware. It's the bridge that allows your favorite applications to run, whether that's a browser, game, or productivity tool. Now, different cities have different mayors, right? In the same way, there are different types of operating systems, each with its own unique features. Windows, for example, is known for its user-friendly interface and vast software availability. macOS, on the other hand, is praised for its sleek design and seamless integration with other Apple devices. Then there's Linux, cherished for its flexibility and open-source nature. Different operating systems have different strengths, but they all serve one main purpose: to make your computer usable. Let's go over what we've learned today. We started by defining an operating system, or OS, as the vital component of any computer system. It's the big boss, overseeing all hardware resources and making sure every bit of software gets its fair share of time and space to perform tasks. From there, we dove into the practical side, taking a peek at the interfaces of some of the most popular operating systems out there: Windows, macOS, and Linux. We saw how each OS has its unique features and design, but they all share the same fundamental role: to manage hardware and facilitate software execution. We then touched on the importance of operating systems, highlighting how they make our everyday digital experiences smooth and seamless. We also discussed the different types of operating systems, each designed with a specific purpose in mind, and there you have it. The next time someone asks you about operating systems, you'll know exactly what to say.